am now here at Green Street Gardens, and let's see what they have. The shipping day is Monday. I was told the last time I was here, and it's late in the afternoon. So I'm pretty sure whatever deliveries they had arrived this morning, they have probably have it on shelves now. So let's see what they have. A magnolia plant. I've always wanted one. They have their succulents here. They have a bunch of string of pearls. Background music was a little bit loud, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover, but they had tons of string of pearls before that was so hard to find, but now they have it in different sizes from the 2-inch to that really big pot. There's Synapsis Pictus argyrius and this succulent jade plant maybe. They have tons of varieties of succulents and like this Boros tail and some that I haven't really seen and really cute ones, and especially this one. I got that one. I think that's the alien egg succulent. I'm not much of a succulent person, but any type of succulent you could pretty much find here, and all for a really good price, starting at $5 I believe, or maybe even cheaper than that, but the one that I got was $5. And here's some string of dolphins. I was tempted to get that, but didn't in the end. And this is a very large nursery, but most of their houseplants are housed in their main store as well as the greenhouse. And here they pretty much have the popular houseplants that everybody loves, but there are also a lot of good finds like this watermelon peperomia, this bonsai, this alocasia black velvet I think, and this philodendron prince of orange, this zebrina, and the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. This one's I believe was for $25. A variegated peperomia, alocasia poly, a peperomia frost. This one looks really good. And they have the ruby ficus elastica as well as the burgundy one in the small pots, and I kind of wish they had the Taniki as well. And the Hoya Crimson Princess, I got my Hoya Crimson Queen from this store. And this peperomia and prayer plants, we stay away from those, at least I do. And some aglaonema and peace lilies, and some purple oxalis, and this variegated ivy which looks really good, but spider mite magnet. And if I'm ever tempted to buy another calathea, it would be this one, the Calathea pink stripe. They do have a Taniki, but it's $40. Alright, let's go inside the greenhouse. So are these philodendron basils? I think so. They look a little bit splashy. Like look at this one. Like cream splash. I like this one too. But I think they're just Brazils. As you can see, it's like really white compared to this one. So this one's definitely a Brazil, but this one is too white to be Brazil. I don't really know if this is a cream splash or a philodendron Brazil. Again, cream splash or Brazil. Some Hartley philodendron, Adansonii, more Adansonii over here, Philodendron cellulum, Monsteras, dwarf banana plant, and you got some pineapple plants with a pineapple already growing. This one is a palm syad. I thought it was a ZZ plant, but it's a palm syad. And here's their gift shop. Okay, so as expected, they did have the delivery today, and they had some really good ones. And I didn't come here thinking I would buy a plant, but I did buy a couple, which is very interesting ones. So first, I got this succulent, and this is like the alien looking one. And I'm terrible with succulents, but every time I see this on Instagram, I'm very intrigued by it. So I decided to get one and see if it will actually survive in my care. And this one is only $4.99, and I know this could pack quite a price sometimes online. I'm not really sure, but I got it on a whim. And the other one that I got is
this plant, and it is labeled as a Philodendron Brazil. And if you could see like some of the newer leaves, they are very limey and green like a regular Philodendron Brazil. But it also came with leaves that are like this, that has the girl was like looking at me like I'm crazy. But it also has like leaves like this that has like very white variegation and cream variegation in them, which make me think it might be a cream splash, but I'm not sure. I got it anyway. It is $14 and it's a little bit pricey for 4-inch plants, especially if this just turns out to be a Philodendron Brazil. But I got it anyways, and we will see. If not, I think they have a return policy, so if it doesn't work out, I'll just return the plant. But yeah, that's it for my tour of the Green Street Gardens, and I don't know if I'm gonna attach this to a different vlog or what, but thanks for joining me if it's just a short video.